Maths concept for the day mensuration. Our lesson for today is volume. Learning outcomes. Students, after watching this video, you people are able to recall about the volume of solid, recall the formula for finding the volume of cuboid and a cube, calculate the volume of cube and cuboid, interpret the volume of cuboid and cube. Solve worksheet 5 together.
Let us start solving sum number 4. If h of a cube is double, how many times will its surface area increases? Part 1. Part 2. How many times its volume increases? Let us see. Let h of cube be x unit. It may be meter, centimeter, so that's why I have written here unit. Now, if we want to calculate the surface area of cube, means total surface area, that is 6x square unit. 6x square we were getting. Volume of cube, we know the volume, side cube, that means x cube, that is x cube cubic unit. So this is the surface area and the volume if the side is x. Now, if we double the edge of cube, what we are getting? 2x. Edge will be 2x. Let us see what happened to the surface area. Surface area of cube. What is the formula? 6L square. So 6L we have taken as 2x square. That means 6 into 4x square. If I take 4 here and 6x square. 6x square is the surface area of a cube with edge x. Now, if we make a double of the edge, we are getting 4 times the surface area with side x. Hence, what happened to the surface area? Hence, surface area increases 4 times. How many times it increases? 4 times. Now let us see what happened to the volume. Let's see what happened to the volume. Now, volume of cube is equal to, we know the formula, L cube. We have double the side, mean we have to find the volume with the side 2x. So what happened? 2x into 2x into 2x. What we are getting? 8x cube. And x cube is a volume when we were having a edge x. If we double the edge 2x, we are getting volume 8x. Hence, volume will increase by 8 times. How many times it increases? 8 times. And surface area increases 4 times. Let us solve sum number 6 of worksheet 5. Volume of cube is 1000 centimeter cube. Find its total surface area. You people have given the volume. You have to find the total surface area. For the total surface area, we must know the side of the cube. So, let us find the side of cube. For that, let side of cube is x centimeter. So, we know volume of cube is equal to side cube, that is equal to x cube centimeter cube. Now x cube is equal to volume, they have given you 1000 centimeter cube. So you should find the cube root of this 1000. What will be the cube root of 1000? That is 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 10 centimeter. So the side of a cube is 10 centimeter. Now you have to find the total surface area. People have learned the formula for the total surface area. Total surface area of cube 6L square. All the sides we are going to take 6L square. So 6L square, 6 into 10 centimeter square. 6 into 10 into 10 centimeter square. That is equal to 600. What will be the volume? 600 centimeter square. Sorry, the total surface area of a cube is 600 centimeter. Let's solve sum number 7. How many planks, each of which is 2 meter long, 2.5 centimeter broad, 4 centimeter thick, can be cut off from a wooden block 6 meter long, 15 centimeter 40 broad and 40 centimeter thick. So here in this sum, you have to cut off a wooden planks from a big wooden block whose dimension are 6 meter long, 15 centimeter broad and 40 centimeter thick. First of all, beta, you should just keep this in mind. Whenever you have to find the number of anything, you have to divide their volume. Either surface area or their volumes. Here we have to divide with the volumes. We must find the volume of a wooden block and volume of a plank. And then we divide and we get our answer. But before we divide, we must take care of the units. So units of the length, meter, breadth, centimeter, thickness, centimeter. Even here, length, meter, breadth, centimeter, thickness, centimeter. Let us convert the units and find the volume. First of all, length of wooden block. We find the length of a wooden block, that is equal to 6 meter. It means 600 centimeter. Why 600 centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Breadth of wooden block, that is 15 centimeter. Height of wooden block, 40 centimeter. Now we find the volume of block is equal to length into breadth into height. We are not going to calculate, we just leave here as we have to find the number of. Now this is the volume of a block from which we are going to cut these planks. Length of plank, that is equal to 2 meter, means 200 centimeter. Breadth of plank, that is 2.5 centimeter. Height of plank, that is 4 centimeter. Now volume of plank is equal to 200 centimeter multiply 2.5 centimeter multiply 4 centimeter, because volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. We have to find the number of planks. Number of planks is equal to volume of block upon volume of one plank. If we divide the volumes, we are getting number of. So volume of block 600, 15, 40 centimeter cube. 200, 2.5, 4 centimeter cube. I remove this decimal. I place 10 in the numerator because I have removed the decimal from the denominator. So I can put a 10 in numerator. Now these 2 zeros are going to be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Sorry, here we were having 25. 5 fives are 25. Centimeter cube and centimeter cube cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 80, and 110, 180. So how many planks we can cut from this wooden block? That is 180. Let us solve sum number 8. 3 solid metal cube H with 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted together and formed into a single cube. They are melted together and we make a single cube from that. Find the volume of new cube. Now what will be the volume of new cube? Obviously the volume of new cube formed is the volume of the combine of all these cubes. First of all we find the volume of first cube, then second cube, then third cube. We add up these volume and we are getting a volume of new cube. Now let H of cube 1 will be 6 centimeter. Volume of cube 1, that is L cube, 6 centimeter cube. When to make a cube of 6 centimeter, what you are getting? 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. That is equal to 6 6 is 36. 36 into 6, 216 centimeter cube. H of cube second, that is 8 centimeter. Volume of cubes second, that is equal to 8 centimeter cube. 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8, 512 centimeter cube. Now H of cube third. What will be the edge of cube third? That is 10 centimeter. They have given us volume of cube third, that is equal to 10 centimeter cube. 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, that is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. When we melted these cube, we are getting a new cube. Now what will be the volume of new cube? Volume of new cube is equal to, what will be the volume of cube 1 plus 2 plus 3. If we add the volume of all these 3 cubes, means 216 centimeter cube plus 512 centimeter cube plus 1000 centimeter cube. So new volume will 1728 centimeter cube. Hence the volume of the new cube is 1728 728. Sum number 9. Find the volume of a cube whose surface area is 150 meter square. Here you people have given the surface area and you have to find the volume. When you people are given the surface area, if they haven't mentioned the surface, either a curved or a total, it means it is understood it is a total surface area. Now total surface area of cube is equal to 150 meters square. You know very well what is the total surface area. We know 6L square. What is the total surface area? 6L square is equal to 150 meters square. Let side of cube be L meter, because surface area is in meter, so we have taken the L meter. So 6L square, L square is equal to 150 upon 6 meter square. We divided 6 on the table of 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 0, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 25. L square is equal to 25 meter square. So what will be the L? Mean edge of a cube, square root of 25, that is 5 meter. Now you get the edge of the cube, that is 5 meter. You have to find the volume of cube. Very well you know the formula for the volume of cube. Volume of cube is, very good, L cube. So L cube means 5 cube, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 meter cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125 meter cube. So in your conclusion line you can write that volume of a cube is 125 meter cube. Sum number 10. Find the volume of a cube whose one face of which has an area 81 meter square. So can you tell me what shape a face of a cube have? Yes, it is a square. It means area of square they have given you. Area of square is side into side. From that we are getting a side of cube and then we calculate the volume. Very good. Let side of cube is equal to x meter. Now area of one face, okay, that is area of square. They have given you area of square is equal to 81 meter square. So that is side into side is equal to 81 meter square. So we need to know what we have taken aside. S, x square is equal to 81 meter square. X is equal to square root of 81, that is equal to 9 meter. We are getting a side of a cube. Now we can find the volume. Volume of cube is equal to L cube, that is side cube, 9 meter into 9 meter into 9 meter. 9 9s 81, 81 into 9, 729 meter cube. Hence the volume of a cube is 729 meter cube.